tough. Hey, it's Pete, GCI Turf. Hope you're having a good day. Let's talk about stripes some more. Okay, so in a previous video, we talked about, I think you need 3 things to actually stripe a yard. First of all, you've got to have a good high quality turf. Okay, this is turf type tall fescue. It's the GCI custom blend that we use in our on our clients' properties. And of course, it's what's in this yard. When I did my renovation, that's what I put in here. You need a good high quality turf to stripe. You need that big ball of goodness up in the sky, the sunshine. The reason that is important because as you're riding down your strip, you can see the sun go in the clouds. See the stripes aren't showing up quite as good. When the sun pops out, you'll see them better. When you're riding this way, you're actually tilting the turf over a little bit. When you come back down this dark stripe, you're tilting the turf back towards you. So the reflection of the light is what gives this illusion. Basically, you're looking at the turf with the grain and against the grain. Well, and the third thing you gotta have is a good quality mower. Okay, the mower's got a lot to do with it. Now, I'm not saying you have to own a $10,000 commercial mower, okay? Anybody can stripe a turf with any mower with something I want to show you. Well, here you go. This, my friend, is the Big League striping roller. You can pretty much get it and fit any mower. This is a Exmark 30-inch mower. They've got a model for it. This is a Massport 21-inch cut. Now, a little note on this one is they don't actually make one that is specifically designed for the Massport. So I've got to do a little bit of engineering on that to make it work, but it's nothing hard. For the most part, I'm pretty sure the majority of those small residential mowers like this, they have a model that will bolt right up to the back of yours. Of course, you walk behind mowers. You can see right here, this is a right walk behind. You can see how it mounts up right in here. Floats, see how it goes up and down, floats. Pretty heavy too. Those rollers are pretty stout. That's how it lays the grass down pretty good. You get that nice dark stripe. And here's my favorite, the ZK. And we switched over to ZK, the right brand. So been fortunate and blessed enough to be able to get one of these and keep it at my house. But you can see they even make one specifically for that. So you can see, man, super, dude, this stuff is some high quality commercial grade stuff. Now, back in the day when I first started my mowing operation, when I first started my company, I started off one-man show, truck to pick up a little mower and blah blah. And as I began to learn more about turf and the quality of turf would produce a better stripe, and I ran across these guys and I had picked up a couple of them from them in the past. Of course, I hadn't used them in a while, and then now we've got the academy going where we're helping out the homeowner have a more quality yard, and one that looks like it's professionally maintained. So I reached out to these guys and we hooked up, and this is where we're at. But this is it's quality. It is super. You will not tear this up. I don't care. You would have to literally drop it off the side of a mountain. Not sure you'd tear it up then. It's really nice. They got a good weight to them, even the small one. All the nuts and bolts are high quality. It's just, I mean, you can't go wrong with it. It's near bulletproof. Well, there you go. So I gotta do my pine needles around that tree there. I kind of like the contrast. That smaller 30-inch stripe against the 52-inch stripe. Pretty cool, right? Now, hey, if you decide to get one of these, just be a little extra careful when you turn it around, because it is kind of heavy. You want to make more of a 3-point turn versus a quick spin around. I know you boys like to zip those things around, but hey, be easy with it. You don't want to tear your turf up. If your mower isn't capable of producing a stripe like this, well, it is now. I've teamed up with Big League Lawns to be able to offer you this roller, and I can give you 10% off on it. So hey, look down in the description below and you'll find a coupon code. Go to bigleaguelawns.com, do some research, find the roller that fits your mower, go in, do the checkout, you know, like you're gonna buy it, put that coupon code in and you'll get 10% off. All right, now check this out. In the next striping video, I'm gonna show you how to cut those diamonds in your yard. I know you know what I'm talking about. Kind of looks like a checkerboard look. The yard has a checkerboard effect to it. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. So hey, like, subscribe, and share, because I'm telling you, I've got the coolest video you ever seen coming up July 4th. You just wait. I'm gonna show you something really, really cool in this yard. So be looking for it on July 4th. Hey, thank you for watching. Man, we hit 10,000 subscribers. Hey, I don't even know what to say. I can't get over, I can't believe that many people, and that number's going up. I can't believe that many people want to watch little old me. So hey, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. I'm humbled by so many people wanting to learn this little bit I know about turf grass. So hey, Have a great day and get your stripes right.